Hi traders, this is Riddhi from Team Phi 1. In this video, we're illustrating a strategy that is very simple. It simply uses the RSI. The purpose of illustrating the strategy is to help you understand how to use the RSI indicator better and also understand the basis of the mean reversion strategy. Before we go ahead and create the strategy, let's go and look at what the RSI is all about. RSI, or the relative strength index, as you may know, is a measure of the strength of movement of a security's price. That said, it does not help you figure the direction, but simply the strength of the direction or the trend of the stock price's movement. Now you may also know that RSI is plotted between values 0 and 100. Generally, RSI values below 30 or 35 are considered to be in the oversold territory or the undervalued territory and generate a buy signal, whereas those in the overbought region or the overvalued region lie beyond 65 or 70. Let's understand how to use the RSI indicator in a reversal strategy. Now you may know what an uptrend and a downtrend looks like. This here is an uptrend, this is a downtrend. An uptrend makes higher highs and lower highs, and the downtrend makes lower lows and lower highs. Now whenever there's a shift from an uptrend to a downtrend or from a downtrend to an uptrend, it's said to have reversed its direction, or a reversal is said to have taken place. Now in our case, we are illustrating a strategy using a bullish reversal, which is shift from a downtrend to an uptrend, so we can benefit from spotting that reversal and taking advantage of the rise in prices when we take a long position. Now how do you use the RSI for that? As mentioned before, anything above the 30 or 35 levels would indicate that the stock's price may be entering an uptrend. Now you see here how the RSI has crossed the 30 level and soon enough an uptrend began in the stock's price. Let's go and create this strategy on the platform. All you need to do is log on to Phi 1 Core, go to My Strategies and hit Create Strategy. If you've seen our earlier videos, you may know that this is a template based strategy creator. You do not need to add any sort of code here. You don't need to know any coding. All you need to do is select the parameters that you like, select from over 120 plus indicators and add your desired values. Add unlimited entry and exit conditions, and your trade will be executed when your conditions are met automatically. Let's begin by adding some scripts. I'm choosing the time interval as a 30-minute interval. My position would be a buy since I am entering a long trade when my conditions are met, and I enter the quantities that need to be bought when my entry condition is met. The indicator we're using here is RSI crossing 35 levels. Now the values here are default levels. You can always change these depending on what you need. For my exit condition, I am simply adding a stop loss and a target profit. Bear in mind that when you're using an RSI indicator as a standalone signal generator, it's best to have a stop loss as well as another indicator in order to confirm your trend and be double sure about your trade. You can also choose the period for which you want to backtest. I'm going to retain this as this looks okay to me. I'm naming my strategy now and saving it for a backtest. Now while the platform generates your backtest results, you must know that you can always go back and edit your parameters whenever you want before you deploy your strategy, of course, and this would include making any sort of changes. You can also go back and learn more about popular momentum indicators on our blog. We'll be linking it in the description of the video. You can learn about the RSI, ADX and MACD here. Alright. So my criterion here is going to be I am looking for trades that have a win rate of at least 50%, and looks like some stocks here are not qualifying for that parameter or criterion that I have. So I'm going to remove those stocks by going back and editing the template. I'm only going to keep TCS, Adani, Edelweiss because it's pretty sure to what I want as a win rate, and Godrej, and I wish to remove the rest of the scripts. So I go back and get rid of those stocks that are not really fitting the bill for me. Alright, now these results look acceptable to me to go ahead and deploy my trade. Hit deploy all. Before I take my trades live, I have the option of paper trading these stocks. Paper trading is simply trading in the live environment but without using any of your actual money. So the risks are absolutely zero, plus it's a great test to really test your strategy, your trade setup in a live environment. And I would say that it's kind of a must before you take your trades live. Now if you're okay with the quantity and the stocks you've selected at this stage, you can go ahead, take your trades live by choosing the broker of your choice and by clicking take live. When you go on the dashboard here, you will also be able to see a lot of ready-made templates created for you. You can make any edits to the parameters and their values and the indicators in these templates. If you want to try any of these strategies or the RSI reversal strategy we just illustrated, simply go to the link in the description and try these strategies for free. And while you're here, also feel free to check out some more of our trading strategy videos. We also give a lot of trading tips. So do consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching the video and keep coming back for more videos.